Oh, yeah, yeah. After rain. Last year nearly broke my spirit. Too many nights I hid my tears with music. Too many smiles I forced for people, while my own heart was feeling empty. I kept telling everybody I'm fine, even when my soul was tired. Cause sometimes strong people suffer quietly, without permission to fall apart. But somehow morning still kept coming, even after painful nights. And slowly I began believing maybe healing takes its time. Cause flowers still grow after rain, and joy can return again. After rain, the sun still shines somehow. After pain, the heart still heals somehow. After dark, morning still finds the sky. After tears, you still deserve to smile. Now I'm learning softer living, resting without feeling guilty, choosing peace above performance, and protecting my energy. I don't need proof, strength every second. I don't need carry every burden. Sometimes bravery not asking help, instead of silently drowning. And the people who truly love you will stay when the light feels low, not just when you're entertaining or when life is beautiful. Healing no straight line journey, but every step still matters. After rain, new life begins to bloom. After storms, there's still room for joy. After rain, new life begins to bloom. After storms, there's still room for joy. You survive days you thought would end you. Never forget that.